welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. Today, as you will see from the title, I've got a little friend mail package from Jo. Jo's an absolute sweetheart and she's started selling these absolutely stunning key rings. And I was looking at them and my daughter is absolutely obsessed with key rings. She's literally got so many of them, she absolutely adores them. And I knew that as soon as I saw these key rings that Jo was making, that I had to get one for my daughter because she will absolutely love it. So I had to put an order in. But Jo, being the lovely person she is, she actually has done both me and my daughter one. And she's also sent me some other bits. So thank you so much, Jo. You really didn't have to, but I do appreciate it so much. So today I'm just going to show you everything that she has given me. And I hope you'll enjoy. So I'm going to start off with the card. I absolutely love the sticker on the back here. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. Oh, that's so cute. It says, "To Sammy, Merry Christmas, love Jo." I love that card. That's a really cute little card. Thank you, Jo. Okay, so onto the key rings. I'm literally so excited about these. I don't want to take it off the packaging because I'm going to wrap this one up for my daughter for Christmas. But as you can see here, we've got one of these poms that's so fluffy and so soft. I love it. We've got an L because my daughter's name is Lily. And we've got a tassel. And then also a little cat charm, which is so adorable because my daughter's obsessed with cats. Her favourite colour is indigo. So I sort of went with the blue key ring and I sort of told Jo to go with what resin and everything she thought would be suiting to it, and she's done a brilliant job. But these key rings here are fully customizable, so you can pick your colour of your pom, you can pick the colour of pigment that goes into the resin, you can pick your charm, pick the colour tassel. She's got a huge variety and they're only £10. So if you're interested in purchasing one from her, head on over to Just Jo Nail Addict. I will link her YouTube, her Instagram and her Facebook page down in the description box down below if you'd like to order. Like I said, like fully customizable, you can literally pick it exactly how you want it and they're just so lovely. And look, she's also put on a little resin unicorn. Oh, my daughter's going to love that. She really is going to love that. But thank you so much, Jo. They are really beautiful. And I know that's going to put a massive smile on her face when she gets that. So thank you. I will show you guys a bit better with that one. But I just sort of want to leave it because she's done it so nicely. I want to sort of leave it in the packaging for my daughter. But I will show you my one anyway. So this is my one here. So again, she has wrapped it up so nicely. It looks so professional. So this is my one. I went with I love this pom with the red and sort of like the white. It's so soft and fluffy. It's beautiful. I absolutely love it. And again, I just said to her to sort of go with whatever colour she thinks would suit the red pom the best. So she's gone with gorgeous, matches perfectly really, but a sort of deep red colour with some glitter and a red tassel. But like red's my colour, my car's red, and I was going to put this on my car keys because I'm really good at losing my car keys, so I know that this is going to come in so helpful because I'm not going to lose my car keys often no more. And it suits my car's red, my favourite colour's red, my hair's bright red, everything's red, so it had to be a red key ring and I absolutely love it. Like, they are so beautiful, Jo. You've done a fantastic job with these. And I absolutely love them. So yeah, definitely people, go and order yourself a key ring because they're just beautiful. They're so soft, I can't stop stroking it. You can probably tell I'm excited because I'm talking at 100 miles per hour and I have to try and slow down. But yeah, no, I love that, Jo. Thank you so much. It's just so beautiful. It's just gorgeous. I really do love that. And she's also attached a little red resin heart, which is adorable. Thank you, Jo. I love it. I really do love it. I sort of tried to peel that off nicely, but I couldn't. But yeah, I love them so much. Thank you. So she's also very naughty and she's also sent me some other bits and bobs. These are like pigment powders and they are absolutely beautiful. I don't have ones in these sort of colours. Like, I have a lot of pigments, but not in these colours. Like, I really like the shade of pink. And that's such a different colour. It's kind of like a brown but so shimmery that it's actually like nice. I really like them. Yeah, always love pigments, so thank you so much, Jo. She has sent me a shit ton of mylar. Like, look how much is in there. It's really gorgeous as well. I do have some black mylar like this, but I don't think that I have any pink mylar like this. It's really pretty though. Definitely really pretty. I love mylar. I just don't use it enough. but I want to start using it a bit more. I really want to get my hands on like a load of micro miler. I'm just really liking it lately. But yeah, absolutely gorgeous. Thank you, Jo. And then she sent me some rhombus as well. I have already got some of these. Did Aggie send me some? It might have been Unpolished by Aggie that sent me some. But they're so pretty. They're like a rose gold colour and they're a bit bigger than the normal ones. I still haven't used them though, I'm terrible, but I really want to do like a full nail using these because I feel like it'd look really pretty. But yeah, I love them. They're absolutely gorgeous. Thank you, Jo. And then she sent me this, which, there we go, it says it's 10 sheets of gold leaf foil, 20 square studs, 20 round studs, and a polish. That's super cute. I love the square studs. I've actually just ordered some more of those off Sparkle Supplies because I really like them. They're really easy to work with and I think they look really cool on a nail. But yeah, very nice. Thank you, Jo. She has sent me some eyebrow stencils. I'm kind of intrigued about these actually. I'm definitely going to have to give these a go later because I've like my eyebrows, I've got bald patches. I think like I overplucked them in my younger years because I look back at some old photos of me in my teens and I had next to no eyebrows, and I think I just overplucked them too much and they just don't really grow very well now. Like one's okay, but my one on my right side of my face has got a big bald patch on the top of it. And I'm not very good at filling in my eyebrows. I'm trying to get better, but I'm intrigued as to whether these actually work because I've seen quite a few people try these eyebrow stencils and it's been hilarious seeing how some of them turn out. But you never know, they could be really good, but I'm intrigued. I'm really excited to try those out, so thank you, Jo. She has sent me some, well, they're called nail patch on here, but they're like what do you call them, kind of like nail wraps, but these ones are all tiger print, which is cool. I've never used them before. I've actually got quite a few like wraps like this which I've never actually used, but I should try them at some point, shouldn't I? I like these ones as well. They're really funky. I like the metallic shift on them. They're quite feisty looking ones, really. I like them. Thank you, Jo. I really like this. It's sparkly zebra stripes. It says nail glitter stickers. So I don't know if that's like a full cover. I'm going to say I think that's like a full cover sheet so you can sort of cut it to how you want it and stick it onto your nails. But it's great if you want some fancy nails but you can't be bothered to sit down and actually do anything because you can literally just, these are so quick and easy and your nails are fab at the end. So yeah, much appreciated, Jo. Because sometimes I can't be asked to do my nails. It's like today I sort of rush painted my nails just so I can do some filming because I hate my natural nails. But some days you just can't bother to sit there and faff about doing your nails, and like I never do my nails, my natural nails all fancy. But sometimes it would be nice to have fancy nails. So stuff like this and them just come in really useful for just quick, easy but pretty nails. But yeah, thank you, Jo. And then we've got a lip sticker. I won a giveaway from Jo. It might have been her 500 sub giveaway. I don't know, it's quite a while ago now. And she had multiple prizes and I won one of the prizes. I'm pretty sure she sent me one of these. But in all honesty, I haven't got a clue where it is. I really haven't got a clue where it is, which is a shame because I really want to try it. I've probably just tucked it away somewhere because I have loads of like random things like this and like festival gem sort of stickers and stuff for your face, and I've just got loads of bits and bobs like that. But I really want to try these and see what they're like because it looks really funky. But yeah, thank you, Jo. I will definitely have to do a video or something of me trying these out, won't I? And see how funky they are because they look pretty cool. But yeah, thanks, Jo. She has sent me some bling. We've got loads of mixed colours of little gems in there. I did actually have a load of these and ended up chucking them all away out of frustration because they had like loads of these and loads of different other gems and that, and it was just a huge mess. So I ended up chucking them away and I was kicking myself for it. But these ones are actually organised because they're all the same size gems and the same shape, whereas the other bag I had was so mixed up it just drove me mad, so I just put it in the bin. So yeah, I'm excited to have some more of those. But yeah, thank you, Jo. She has sent me some of these little stickers, so I don't know if they're showing up on camera, but they're sort of sectioned off and you can sort of peel off one strip, put it on your nail, and you can paint and then peel it off and you sort of get the zigzag line, and there's like loads on each one of those. Oh, there's another one there. So she sent me 2 of them. I haven't used something like this in a long time now, but they are fun. They are, again, it just sort of makes things a bit simpler rather than freehand painting them, and it just sort of speeds things up when you want to sort of create a funky pattern but not spend forever doing so thank you, Jo. And then she sent me some of these stickers which are very similar to those ones, I think. They're sort of like vinyl stickers. So again, you just sort of peel them off, put them over your nail, paint over it, and then quickly remove it. And you sort of create a quick and easy funky pattern. Simply Nailogical's quite, like, she uses a lot of these sort of stickers now to do her nail art with. And she does like fun gradients, like ombres and stuff, using like these vinyl stickers and that, which is always cool to see. But I haven't used stuff like this in ages, but maybe I should start using little bits like this again. Maybe for my natural nails instead of being a boring cow and just painting them all one colour all the time. Yeah, thank you, Jo. And then lastly, she has sent some deco flowers and gemstones. I think my daughter would really like these. She'll probably get these and stick these everywhere. Yeah, I'm sure she's going to absolutely love them, because they're like her sort of colours as well. She likes her blues and her purples. But yeah, they're really pretty. I really like these big roses. And the colour of these gems and these hearts is gorgeous. It's a gorgeous shade. But yeah, thank you, Jo. But yeah, that's absolutely everything from Jo today. Thank you so much, Jo. I really do appreciate it. Like, I love these key rings, and you really don't have to send all that other stuff as well, but I do appreciate it, so thank you. And yeah, Merry Christmas to you, Jo. I hope you're enjoying the bits that I've sent you as well. She won my giveaway because she wanted some more wax melts anyway, and then her name got on my giveaway, so she's got like loads of wax melts. And then I also sent her a burner as part of the giveaway prize, but it arrived and it had broken on its travels, and I was so upset. So I bought her another one, and I'm hoping she's really liked it, because it's sort of a very sort of special one that I saw and thought of Jo instantly and thought she'd really like it, so I'm hoping she likes that. But yeah, I love sending people bits. But anyways, yeah, thank you so much, Jo. I want to go put this on my car keys now. I'm well excited. I really do love everything, and yeah, I hope everyone has a fantastic Christmas. But yeah, everyone, please go on over to Jo's channel, subscribe to her. She's posting videos all the time. They're fantastic videos. She's so lovely. She makes me laugh. She's funny. She's fantastic at nail art. She's one of my favourite nail artists. Like, her nail art is absolutely incredible. She comes up with some right funky designs, but they really work. They go together so well, and she's amazing at what she does. Like, she does acrylic, she does gel polish, like, she does it all, and she's really good at it. So definitely go on over to her channel and subscribe. And like I said, if you'd like to order one of these key rings, I will leave all of her links down in the description box down below. They're £10 each, they're fully customizable, and they make great gifts for someone. Or if you're like me and you're hopeless with your keys, then this is a perfect key ring to have on your keys so you don't lose them anymore. But yeah, anyways, much love everyone. I'm going to disappear now because I'll just sit here waffling forever otherwise. I love you all so much. Have a fantastic Christmas, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!